To introduce our next contestant, we have Michael Fisher. He's the reviews editor at Pocket Now, where he reviews new gear for a YouTube audience of over 1 million viewers, and he is apparently a raging Star Trek fan. Michael.
Hi, everybody. Raging Star Trek fan. I do like that phrasing. Thank you, David. Unfortunately, we don't have transporters in our modern world as we do on Star Trek. And I live in Boston, which, much like Las Vegas this week, is not a wonderful place to drive in. Fortunately, there are plenty of alternatives to driving: public transit, carpooling, walking, and for people with better coordination than me, skateboarding. And those are all wonderful. They're environmentally friendly. They're responsible alternatives. But aside from a general feeling of, self-satisfaction, you don't really get rewarded for those small measures you take to protect the environment. And that's what people like the people behind MyOpenRoad are trying to change by offering a way to track your social responsibility and get rewards for your efforts. Here to talk more about MyOpenRoad, CEO Jeff Weiss.
Thank you, Michael. Hey, everybody, how are you today? In our building, I'm the CEO of MyOpenRoad, Jeff Weiss, and I'm also an ex-Disney Imagineer. Now, one of the problems that I've observed over the last year is that many colleges, universities, and large corporations are all trying to reduce their carbon footprint. And they're doing this at an accelerated rate. And their problem that they're having is 25% of their carbon reduction is through transportation. And the main problem that everybody's really struggling with is encouraging people to use alternative transportation instead of driving. So we've come up with a solution to that, and that is MyOpenRoad. And I'm going to quickly give you a quick demonstration of our application. This is the MyOpenRoad application, and MyOpenRoad rewards you for using alternative transportation instead of driving, and it allows you to go to many of our partner retailers and restaurants and get rewarded for your energy conservation efforts. We have something in the middle of the screen, the green line right here, is called your social responsibility score. It works like a correct score. It goes from 0 to 1,000. And the more energy efficient your travel choices are, the higher your social responsibility score will become. It also degrades over time if you don't use it. Now, these are the 9 modes of transportation you can utilize. You can take the bus, take the train, skateboard, car, walk. And each one of these modes has its own social responsibility score rating. So the more efficient it is, the higher that score goes. Now, the application also allows you to socially compete with your friends. So you can actually see who's been being more responsible than you or what have you or not. And Boney Bruno is just about to beat me. So anyway, but the fun part about MyOpenRoad is the reward system. And once you keep your score high, as I mentioned, you can go to many of our partner retailers and restaurants and get rewarded for your energy conservation efforts. So I'm going to show you a friend of ours right here in Las Vegas. This is Whiskey Six Barbecue. You can actually eat one of their really wonderful barbecue brisket sandwiches and get a free drink if your score is 700 or better. We also have the ability to support online advertisements. And this helps us a lot with giving immediate gratification for people if we're not in a particular area. Now, right here, you can show that Sunport, you guys just saw them a few minutes ago, they'll give you 10% off any new Sunport purchase when you buy online with their advertisement. I can unlock that. Also, some other friends of ours, iHeart Local, they're going to be able to give you 1 month free of advertising on their sustainability on their platform. They do a really great job keeping customers engaged with your business. Now, one of the things that MyOpenRoad does is we make money by advertising our retail partners and customers. We also make money by licensing MyOpenRoad's technology to universities and large corporations as part of a complete sustainable transportation package, or platform, pardon me. You guys want to see MyOpenRoad in action? Roll film. MyOpenRoad, ladies and gentlemen.
Well done.
Hey, thank you.
So your virtual activities get you physical, actual monetary rewards.
Yes.
What's in it for the contributors of their financial rewards?
You mean the retailers?
Yeah.
It's just the thing that the retailers get out of this is unlike typical check-in marketing systems where you're rewarding somebody for just showing up. This is something where somebody has to demonstrate that they've been saving energy with the application, and both the retailer and the customer usually feel really good about that.
I love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well done.